Hello friends, welcome to learn Microsoft Word. Today we are going to learn a very simple menu, that is review menu. Okay, let us start. Suppose here I type one word. Suppose the word is favorite. Okay, here it will show spelling mistake. If you want to correct this spelling, because this spelling is correct, but in your British language it is correct, but our computer language is US language. Therefore, if you want to correct this spelling, then you can select here favorite. Okay, as well as you can also use spelling and grammar mistake. Here it will give you two options. If you choose favorite and change, then it will get change. Or suppose here you can use right click and choose the your option. Okay, it will also get work. But suppose here we write some, suppose I write here city name Nasik. Okay, there is no suggestion for it. Okay, but if I want to keep this word as it is, then I use ignore. Okay, now that red waves lines get disappear, because whenever there is spelling mistake, it will show the red wave line. Okay, ignore means what? We want this spelling as it is. We keep this spelling as it is. Therefore, we ignore that spelling mistake. As well as here, you can also add to dictionary. Here the option is disabled, but you can also add to dictionary. Then next time whenever you use this spelling, then there is no spelling mistake. Okay, suppose here we have paragraph. Let us use the paragraph function, rand and number of paragraph. Okay, suppose here we have some mistake. Let us perform some mistake. Okay, now the spelling and grammar mistake is very useful. Okay, it will it will show us options, and you can select your option, change or change all. Then all spelling get change. Okay, as well as you can also use the grammar mistake. Suppose here I put comma, it is grammar mistake. Then for green color waves line is appear. Then you can also change this grammar mistake. Okay, now in define, you can define a dictionary, but for that you have to sign out the account, your Microsoft account. The next one is treacherous. Okay, here I select the video word, and it will show the other words similar to the video word or other meaning of video word. Okay, suppose here I use provide, close it, again go to again go to treasures. Okay, provide means deliver, offers, runs, effort, like this. You have here similar words. Okay, if you want to count the total words in this document, because whenever you give any advertisement or for some printing purpose you have a word limitations. In that case you can choose this option and count your words. The total words are 135. Total characters are 650, but these are without spaces, and with spaces, because spaces also count as a word, as a character. Then 782, three paragraphs and nine lines. Okay, you can also include text boxes, footnote and endnote in this section. If you don't want it, then disable this. Okay, now if we want to translate this word into a other word, or for information, if we want to check whether what is the meaning of provide in in Spanish language or in any other language, click on translate. Translate selected text. Okay, here we have option Spanish, Punjabi, Indian. Then there is Russian. Okay, suppose I say here Russian, then it will show something, but we don't. I don't understand this. Let us select any other. Suppose Hindi. Yeah, I here is the meaning of Hindi. Okay, like this. Suppose we want to check it in Spanish. Here is the meaning of Spanish, or here is the word. What is mean provided in Spanish? Okay, like this you can use translator. You can translate the whole document, or you can translate the selected text or mini translator. Then here's the language. By default, the say language is US America US English. You can set here other language. Okay, as well as here we have already seen this option in insert menu. The comment you can write here some information. Okay, now here are options. If you don't if you want to delete option or delete this comment, then you can delete this comment, or you can see the next comment, previous comment. Okay, you can also show the comment or hide the comment. Okay, I delete this. Then here is the track changes. Track changes is useful if you want to if your document is ready and you want to, if someone is change somebody is changing this document and you want to track that changes, then always on this option track changes. Okay, now your document is open and somebody came and made changes in this document, then how to track that? Suppose here I put some text. Okay, then it is your choice whether you want this changes, or you are either you want accept or reject that changes. If you click on reject, then changes are undo, and if you want to accept, then click on accept, changes are accepted. Okay, but here you have to use all mark. If you are, there is no markup, then changes are not visible. Here is the changes. Reject. Okay, then here you can use all markup, show markup. Okay, after that here you have rewind pen. If you want to revise your document, then you can use rewind pen. Okay, here is no revision because no changes are made in this document. Then there is compare document. You can compare your two documents. Suppose here use any word document and compare this document with any other document. Like this you can compare the document. Okay, this is original document, this is compare document. Okay, this is revised document. Like this you just compare this. Here is also revisions. Let us undo this or close the document. You can also use combined document if you want to combine two documents. Okay, then this document get combined. Okay, like this you can use these options. Let us go to new document. Here is very important option, restrict editing. Here you can restrict user from formatting restrictions, everyone. Here you have to give password, confirm password. Okay. And if I want to change something here, then there is no changes because there is restricted document. If you want to keep your document in read only mode, then you can use this option. But if you want to stop protection, then give the same password. If you forgot the password, then there is big problem. Okay. Now changes are made. You can make changes. Okay. Like this, you can use a view option. It is very simple option. Thank you for watching the lecture. We will continue in next lecture.